The Heart Award is an honor designed to recognize Arkansas healthcare professionals, specifically in the hospice and palliative care industries, that go above and beyond in providing quality of life for the patients that they serve, the families that they serve, and the colleagues that they work with. So this award is called the Heart Award because it really focuses in on what is important in our industry, and that is truly enhancing quality of life for those facing life-threatening or serious illness.
I recognized that hospice was my calling early on in life. I'm a fifth-generation nurse, and so I was grown to see the nurturing and caregiving spirit and the difference that being at the bedside made. And so that rewarded me, and as it has my family members, and even my daughter has to now, to realize that the rewards of empathetic and compassionate care is priceless.
I think beginning my career, I was a child life specialist, and I was at Ochsner Hospital in New Orleans working with the oncology pediatric population in ICU, and I loved it. I excelled. I felt like this was my calling. I was able to support families. I moved to Little Rock in '84 to work at Children's Hospital for about 10 years in child life. That's the field of preparing kids for surgery, helping them to cope with and adjust with their serious illnesses and prepare for death and loss. I loved working with the families, and that's how I think that I got into bereavement. Bereavement care and end of life, hospice work is primary because part of the hospice Medicare benefit is to provide 13 months of grief support following the death of the patient. We know that grief begins way before the patient dies. It involves the patient's loved ones, family, caregivers, friends. So it's a unit of care in hospice, the patient and the family together.
If you have received care that you feel has gone above and beyond the expectation, you can make a nomination for a Heart Award recipient on our website, and that is at www.hpcaa.org. We are getting ready to open the next cycle of nominations, and we will award and recognize those at our fall conference in October.